Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cheapest Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mazda BT-50 XT Freestyle cab chassis ute, stock reference number 3830. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P5AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand front headlight. Has a black plastic surround. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. The left front door has a plastic scratch guard around the door handle. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's got a factory fitted alloy tray supplied with all bolts, brackets, lights and guards, as well as the ladder rack. Spare wheel, 16-inch steel rim, good tyre. Right hand rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has two small dents. Just like the left hand door, the right hand door has a scratch guard around the door handle. Right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, it's a 6-speed manual console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster. A set of factory rubber floor mats, set of 4, and a black vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.